Good morning, guys. It is the start of day one, right? Day one for the detail workshop. I'm super stoked. Just finished having breakfast actually, and we're gonna be heading out to the shop. But I'm stoked, super stoked to see what today has in store. But check this out. I met somebody famous out here, guys. Let me flip. Ooh, there you go. The man right there, Mr. Philip Miranda. We're gonna be, I'm gonna be riding with him to the shop. Thankfully, I couldn't find an Uber yesterday, guys. So, but we're good now. We're good now. So, we'll be getting on the road, and hopefully, we get some good stuff out at the shop. Detail workshop. We are out here at Total Detailing Auto Surface Protection out in Pottstown, PA. It's a Ceramic Pro Elite shop. So here, it's been really awesome. Obviously, seeing Gabe Fletcher's growth. I remember he started from a little small shop, and now we are to a huge shop. But this is day one, as I said, day one of training. Super excited. Let's get started.
The balance between getting it as perfect as you can and not working yourself to death. Because at the end of the day, this is a very labor.
Done away. And use your mitt to actually.
Here we got, this is the owner of Total Detailing Auto Surface Protection out in Pottstown, PA.
What up, YouTube?
The elite shop in PA.
Just out here washing cars.
There you go.
I'm just a car washer.
Just a car washer doing big dreams.
That's it.
Now you don't need much of a cleaner on the seat, right?
No.
Now you'll see the compound is starting to break down. And I can look through it.
Two more corrections in a day. And if you're going to cut, this is what you want to have. There's 4 cutting pads and they're just all wool. These two are here. Hybrid wool pads from Lake Country. Lake Country is a popular pad line. You can find them anywhere. They are both wool hybrid pads, but they have a little bit of foam in the middle. It makes them real thick compared to that. This is also Lake Country, but it's their low-lit pre-wash pad.
Truly an amazing first day. This will pretty much conclude day one of the training. We'll be back tomorrow with day two, the last day, obviously, to this 2-day course. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.